I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to do a product review on the all-new Icon Hypersport GT Full Gauntlet Glove. Okay, the retail on the Hypersport GP gloves, as of the time we're shooting this video, is $195. Please understand, we do not update videos for pricing only. We do that when the product itself changes. This is Icon's first, let's call it, race level glove. They've got a race suit that's out for the spring. We haven't seen that yet. We are looking forward to it. They have the D30 vest, which is super kick-ass. We have a separate review on that. Really like that piece. Great protective piece from Icon. And then this glove. Let's start off with sizing. I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. The sample that we have here, it's a production sample. It's an extra large, and I got to tell you, the fit it's pretty good. So that said, I feel the sizing on these gloves leans a little bit towards the big side. Okay, use that information in conjunction with the size chart. Always take a measurement to help you choose the right size for yourself. These gloves use a mixture of materials. We've got D30 armor that's used in the knuckle behind the floating knuckle protector. Really like that quite a bit. We've got some French cowhide here used on the back of the hand. We've got some kangaroo, and then there are some inserts of their BattleHide goatskin. Also have overlays here in the high wear areas. That's where your hands are going to touch the bars. Palm sliders around the gloves. Cool design, right, with stitching. Got a little TPR detail and protector here for the end of the ulna. Let's talk about things I like and things that I don't really love. There's some high points of this glove that are really pretty bitchin', and that's going to be all the accordion panels on these fingers. I mean, the control fingers move so easily with these gloves. It's almost a zero break-in situation. The floating knuckle is nice because it's not restrictive. Okay, so they feel nice in this area. The external seams, I like that. Very creative design, good feel. The palm sliders, you need those. Race level for sure, you need those. I feel this one is a little out of position. It's too low on the palm. I'd really like to see it, maybe up just a little bit more. It's not a complete deal breaker, but I'd like to see that up a little bit more. The Gauntlet as well, the design that they have here, especially with the safety strap, it feels, God, it's just a little bothersome, personally for me, once you have it done up, okay? And just the design with the Gauntlet itself, it's a little bit different. It comes together a little bit different, and it didn't feel as comfortable for me. It just feels a little off in this Gauntlet area. It's not horrible, but it is a little bit off, and I want to just show you real quickly, too. Compare it to something else, a glove that we recently reviewed in terms of the safety strap, and just give you an idea of the difference in design, and hopefully this will help shed some light on just how it feels. The D-ring here on this example I'm using, this Speedy glove, you can see that it's further out, okay? Here on the Icon glove, they have this extension on it, so it's more into the wrist area right here. I'll just slip this over and I'll kind of show you a little bit better here once I have it on. Hopefully you can pick that up. You can, I think, clearly see that one of them is further out than the other, and just where that came together here, there's a lot of motion there, and for me that just felt a little off. Really didn't love that part. At the end of the day, I like the glove. I wanted to love the glove because I do like Icon. I think it's a really good brand. There's some fantastic high points with it that I believe are good enough to overshadow. If you're looking at this and you're like, man, I really have to have these, love the Icon brand. It's a good glove. They did a good job with it. I'm kind of nitpicking it just a little bit right now. Like I said, maybe move that palm slider up just a hair to get it more in the area where it's going to be able to really help you. Because if you fall, you put your hands down. Most people are going to do that instinctively. That's what the slider's there for, just to help encourage a slide and reduce the friction in that area. So I think that's just sitting a little bit low, and I'd really love to see that D-ring more, outboard a little bit. I think would just be less cumbersome. And then maybe, I don't know, just a minor change here with the Gauntlet that just feels just a tickle wonky for me, but The high points being these fingers, these accordion panels. Man, that just feels super nice. Tons of dexterity. Articulate super easy. The D30 floating knuckle is really badass. Lots of protection there. I like the metal inserts. Look pretty cool. So there you have it. You know, hopefully I'm not totally this, right? I'm not. I like it. I wanted to love it, but I would say that I just like it. This is Icon's Hypersport GP. This is their first real racetrack, high-end focus gauntlet glove.